I want to give Hottie some credit.
He's a fucking dog. You don't want to give him the credit, I will. The motherfucker come in here through all kinds of pains, aches, broken bones. He show up and he give us 120% every fucking time. When he can't do it, he still do it.
Raw, no straps, no belt, nothing. Just pain. You motherfuckers ain't got enough pain.
It's my fucking kid right there. I'd be damned if I fell.
Kill it, I'm a piece of shit, I'm an asshole, and I really don't give a fuck about it.
Come on!
3.
Fight out, drop the shit.
Get up!
It's dark in this motherfucker, but the lights is on.
Bitch! Ooh! Yeah! Yeah!
5, there you go. 6, there you go. Oh, you breathing? To the hill. You love your mother. To the hill.
There's 20 more, come on.
Fuck.
Go, man, come with it. None of that shit.
Give it your best. I'm not saying you're gonna be strong. I'm just saying give it your all.
Go. 5.
Go! When you speak his name, speak highly of him.
Most of y'all see a minute clip on the ground and you're like, oh, I can go there and do that, except that minute lasts for 3 hours.
He squatted 4 plates in the chain with a broken toe. The fuck you talking about?
What's next?
You can't say shit about the physique because his shit's sharp. And I watched him just get stronger and stronger and stronger. I'll sell my chucks, I'll get a GoFundMe, but yeah, I got money on Hottie, bro.
You not too late, you on time. I'm letting you know right now, if you just get focused, you grind, you cut out all the distractions, bro, you just lock in on your goal, I'm telling you gonna get it, bro.
Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab.
You gotta keep working. Your time's gonna come, trust me. You gotta work. Your time is gonna happen. You're here for a reason, but you gotta be ready, because if you're not, it's on you.
Hey, bro, look, good days, bad days, keep going. See, look, me and you both know life is unpredictable, but the one thing that you should be able to predict is the fact that you're gonna show up the next day. You should be able to count on yourself and know that when in doubt, you got you. Keep it going, bro.
You gotta keep working. Your time's gonna come, trust me. You gotta work. Your time is gonna happen. You're here for a reason, but you gotta be ready, because if you're not, it's on you.
One thing I want you to promise me is that no matter how long it takes, keep going. No matter how much it hurts, keep going. So you was placed on this earth for a reason. You weren't meant to be average. You were meant to excel.
If you don't see results in the first 2 days or the first week, I'm done. That's the mentality of most people. The struggle is too real. We're not patient. And for you to lose weight, for you to stop drinking, whatever the hell you're going through, it takes a lot of patience, a lot of time, and a lot of pitfalls, a lot of plateaus.
You know what's crazy? You know you could be the one if you really wanted to, right? You know that, right? But see, you keep playing the what if game. What if it don't work out this? What if it don't work out that? Nigga, what if it do? What if it do work out? Then what? You gonna be happy, right? You can't say you want to win, but then you scared to lose. What kind of sense does that make? If you put your head down and lock in on the vision, how could you not win? Only thing that's gonna cause you to lose is your mentality. That's between you and you, though.
And they want to ask me, how did you do it? I can't tell you how, because you're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. You're gonna continue being out, because every day you wake up, like he says, like get the coffee, make the pancakes, kiss the girl, kiss the kids. You wake up, right to work. Immediately your mind is in action. No one wants to do that. No one. And I don't blame them. How bad do you want this? If it's as bad as you want to live or breathe or sleep, whatever the hell it may be, I can work with you. But a lot of people, most people don't want it that badly.
I'm locked in, bro. I don't care what no one is talking about. I'm not here for that. I'm not here to please people. You're gonna get upset, you're gonna get upset. You're gonna be proud, you're gonna be proud. All I know is I got a path I'm taking, I'm staying true to that, and I'm not here to fit no one's validation or expectation.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick.
Lose! I don't lose! I win! That's my job! That's what I do!
You have to think I am the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been.
There is no tomorrow! There is no tomorrow!
I'll never give up. Never.
Cowards do that, and that ain't you! You're better than that!
Go! You on top of the world, and you ain't showing no effort. Show effort.
Come on, second win, bro.
Reserve tank. Pull something out. He said it. You got nieces, nephews, you got family, you got people that look up to you. You got kids watching you, bro. Motherfuckers want to see what Tyler gonna do. He talked that shit. Let me see if he's about that. Man, do the push-ups, bro.
Listen, you keep playing, I'm gonna punish the shit out of you. I don't give a fuck.
Pick your head up, bro. Like, I'm serious. Like, take that chin up, chest out. It's a workout.
Hey, I'm not like everybody else. I don't want to be like everybody else. I have something inside which is burning.
It's grind season, homie. It's not about today. It's about the future. You do the work now. Do the work now. And all of the shit that you could ever want to do for your family, your kids, your loved ones, it's all going to be on a whole nother strategy.
There's nothing wrong with having confidence. There's nothing wrong with being delusional. There's nothing wrong with seeing things that people don't see.
Don't fear failure. Dream big. Work hard.
Allow that human being to make you a better person. Live your life with character, honor, and discipline.
You know, have the consistency to make something that's real to you, real life. So believe in yourself, stay consistent, and it'll happen.
Like, people hate working out. You're only gonna visit working out maybe an hour a day. 23 other hours of the day, you're not in it. But how you become in shape is you must visit suffering, visit working out 1 hour a day. Visit suffering 1 hour a day. Visit your past failures 1 hour a day. The relationship with it is the answers are in there.
If you don't exercise, I don't know how you survive, man. I really don't know how people function without exercising. It makes you feel so much better physically and mentally. I'm like, how do people go through life and I can't imagine it, not training and being overweight and feeling shit. Most people feel shit, but they don't know they feel shit because they never felt good. Now they get used to it.
You know, the problem is that you have to, like, you get used to the feeling of your body without exercise. And then when you start to exercise, you feel even worse at the first like 2 or 3 months. You're tired, muscle sore, and stuff like that. So you have to sleep more, you start to eat more.
You start to eat better because your body starts asking for what it's requiring.
So you need to go through a shittier period, then you start to feel better and better and better. And your body starts to ask for exercise.
Exactly, ask for exercise.
You don't have time to step back. You got to go forward. You got to push harder. Excuses, get out of my way. That's what this is about. So you got to recognize when it gets tough, you better get tough. Easy does not count. Easy does not work. You can't cheat your way up. You got to push your way up. Not everyone is ready to be at the top. Not everyone is suitable to be at the top. If you're having a mental breakdown, then the body will believe everything that the mind is telling it to do. You got to understand, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. And if the mind ain't right, then the body won't be right. You mind is telling it to do. You got to understand, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. And if the mind ain't right, then the body won't be right. You
Then what are you willing to sacrifice? Everything!
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just because you don't like the way another nigga talk.
lose. I don't lose. I win. I win. That's my job. That's what I do. What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Let me be very clear. I'll never give up. Never.
Look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself what you really want. You're the one. And when you realize that, boy, I'm telling you, you're gonna be very powerful.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
A man who's been through hell doesn't walk the same. He moves different. He's calm, quiet, focused, because he's already fought battles no one knows about. A man like that doesn't need validation. He knows his worth. He's built from pain. shaped by failure, empowered by purpose. You won't see him quit. You'll see him rise again and again.
Never mind what fucking people think about you, and never mind what the fuck you think about other people. You should not even know that other people exist. Fuck their lives and fix your life. Your life is the only thing you should be thinking, speaking, changing, planning, and working about. Your life is the only thing you have. Fuck them.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
You have to be crazy enough to think that it's possible.
I think the real question you should ask yourself is, why not you? I mean, you got the talent, the skills, the brains, you got all the potential in the world, but you don't even believe in yourself.
God has given me a gift. Only one. I am the most complete fighter.
And don't rely on anybody to believe in you. Don't rely on anybody to push you or make you better. Believe in yourself and only yourself.
Look at you. Look at you. You know that this is not what it takes to get to where you need to be. All right? If you want to get better, you can't live the life that you're living. If you don't care about getting better, then this video is not for you.
Every day, I wake up ready to push myself further. I challenge my limits, striving to be the best version of myself. I won't let someone else's success make me feel small. Their journey is theirs, and mine is mine. I know where I've come from, and I know where I'm going, so I keep pushing forward, not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I was. That's my purpose, and when I look back one day, I'll know that every step, every struggle, every victory was mine alone. My growth, my journey, that's my legacy.
If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. You will fail in your comfort zone. Success is not a comfortable procedure. It is a very uncomfortable thing to attempt. So you got to get comfortable being uncomfortable if you ever want to be successful. Start putting some pressure on. Put some pressure on yourself. Get out here and get about it.
If you don't give up, there is still a chance. Opportunities lie where people complain, and success comes to those who keep moving forward relentlessly. Stay focused, work hard, and believe in yourself. Your time will come. Yes, the nights may feel long, and the path may seem lonely, but every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Doubts will whisper in your ear, and failures may try to break your spirit, but remember why you started.
I woke up one day and stopped making excuses. I woke up one day and stopped playing the blame game. I woke up one day and looked at the man in the mirror and was like, yo, bro, what are you doing? Wake up, it's showtime, let's go!
Is that if you give up, the guarantee is it will never happen. That's the guarantee of quitting. That it will never happen, no way under the sun. The only way the possibility remains that it can happen is if you never give up no matter what.
Don't go into the past, don't go into the future, be in the present. Why? Because only then it's possible that the mind is free, the capacity is free, and now you can completely immerse into whatever you are doing. And this means you have arrived. Nobody else at the moment has the power to change you unless you have that initial spark and say, I must do something.
Once you change one thing, your mindset, you can attack everything.